Deep ocean sounds. What's making noise? The deep sea isn't silent, it's full of strange sounds. In 2014, scientists heard a weird noise called the biot in the Mariana Trench. It sounded like a sci-fi ping. After lots of study, they found it came from Bride's whales, using sound to talk and find each other. Other sea sounds come from whales, clicks, songs, pings. Underwater volcanoes, ice cracking, fish and shrimp snapping. Scientists use special tools to record and study these sounds. It helps protect sea life and understand how oceans are changing.